Hi friends, today we'll discuss three count functions: count, count A, count blank. If you're working with Excel, learning these functions will give you extra mileage. Let's see how it is. Before jumping to an example, let's understand functionality of all the three functions. If you ever come across to count only numerical values, then count serves the purpose. If you get a task to count all the non-blank cells which contains any or both text and numerical values, then count A comes handy. And count blank, by its name, self-explanatory that it counts only blank cells. Let's understand all the three count functions using this example, right? Here we have 4 subjects and 5 students, right? And if it is a blank cell, it means a particular student not attended the exam. If it is a numeric 1, it means attended and passed the exam. If it is F, it means he attended the exam but failed. So now to answer our first questions, how many exams taken by each student? Here, it doesn't matter whether he failed or passed. We need to consider all the attended exams, right? Here, in this case, we have text and numerical values. Both, we need to consider both the values. So, in this case, as we discussed earlier, count A is the best example because it counts all the non-blank cells, whether it is a text or a numeric value. It doesn't matter. So, let's consider all the attended exams. Count A. Right, 2 exams, 3. So here you can clearly see he attended 3 exams. Here he attended 4 exams. Even fail or pass, it doesn't matter, because to answer this question, you need to consider all the attended exams. And how many exams remaining? Simple. As I said, blank cell means not attended the exam. So those are exams remaining. So let's say count blank, right? Count blank and drag it down. That's it. And now the third question is, how many students passed each subject? So now we need to do subject wise count. So so now we need to ignore blank cells and also text cells, because we are here considering only passed subjects, right? Passed means only numerical values. In this example, only numerical values. So if you want to consider only numerical values, then count is the option, right? Count. Yes, 2. Drag it to here. Yes, history. 4 students passed. Yes. And English, 2 students passed the exam. It's correct. Here we go. Done. Now it's your turn to practice and apply these functions. Thank you for watching our video. Please leave your feedback in the comment section.